Hey, what's up guys, Steven here. Welcome back to another comparison, and today we're comparing some of the latest smartwatches, the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Now first of all, let's compare the design. While the appearance comes down to personal preference, there's a big difference in terms of the materials used. The Huawei Watch GT2 Pro comes with a titanium body and sapphire glass on the top and bottom. So we have sapphire glass on the display and also for the heart rate sensor. That makes sure that the watch is very wear resistant and that it can also accurately monitor the data after a long time of usage. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 instead comes with Gorilla Glass DX, and there's also a titanium version of the Galaxy Watch 3, but it's way more expensive. It's around 600 euros plus, which is quite a lot of money for a smartwatch. But all versions of the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro come with a titanium body for the standard price. Then now let's compare the battery life, which is really essential on a smartwatch. The Huawei Watch GT2 Pro has up to 2 weeks of battery life under typical user scenarios, while the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 has up to 2 days of battery life under typical scenarios. And if you switch on the always on display on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, you get only round about 1 day of battery life. So there's a big difference in the battery life, and if you often forget to charge your devices, the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is definitely the better choice. Talking about the health features and monitoring, the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro comes with a 6-in-1 LED lens and sapphire glass to better converge the light and have a stronger penetration. This allows the light to penetrate through the skin and blood and bring continuous, rapid and more accurate heart rate monitoring results for the users. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 instead uses an optical heart rate sensor, which can be less accurate than the heart rate sensor of the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. Both of the smartwatches support SpO2 monitoring, which is quite new on smartwatches, sleep monitoring and even stress monitoring. Now we are comparing the sport features and how many activities each watch can track. The Huawei Watch GT2 Pro supports 102 workout modes, including skiing and golf. It also supports many outdoor features which allow users to observe tide times, astronomy and moon phases directly on their hand, guiding adventurers to explore more. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 instead supports 38 workout modes. That means you can track less activities than on the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. And talking about outdoor adventures, both smartwatches are water resistant. Now last but not least, there's also a price difference. The Huawei Watch GT2 Pro retails for $299 with the titanium body, and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 retails for $400 plus without the titanium body. Alright, that was the comparison, and now my personal opinion. I personally would buy the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro because of 3 advantages. First of all, the design. I really like the big display without the chunky bezel like on the Samsung Galaxy Watch S3. Second, the battery life. After 1 day of usage, I'm at 15% on the Galaxy Watch and I'm at 93% on the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. That's a big difference. And third, there are much more workout modes on the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. There are only round about 38 workout modes on the Galaxy Watch, but on the Huawei Watch we have up to 102 workout modes, including all kinds of activities from swimming, climbing, skiing and even golf. Alright guys, so we're now here at the end of this comparison. I really hope that you liked it. If you have questions, write a comment down below and let me know which smartwatch you would personally choose. Big thanks for watching. As always, I'm Steven from Tech Magnet and I'm signing out.